equivalent of Addams Family. Dad is so funny. Saw it up. And, Dad, you need help? Here.
Saw it up?
Yeah, saw it up.
Well, get the section. Then we, you didn't get them on you, did you?
No. Look here. Find me.
Oh, still on that side too?
Yeah.
All right, let's...
Somebody come over here. Under so we can check it out and so
Okay.
Somebody?
What?
Can you open this, please?
Yeah. You want to try? Let me show you. Come to the
I know how to do it.
22nd of June, the girls visit the property. Seabear, Irene, and Jean come up for the afternoon to do some hiking and cooking on the fire. And Seabear built a little project, made her own little stool, and the dogs had a great time. We only seen a deer,
What's going on here?
and we didn't see any bear this time.
She's making.
Roll barricade for the roll. It's the wall around Jerusalem.
Did you film the little chair?
Oh,
It's so cute.
the sea bear made this chair.
Seabear and I found this log that fell down blocking the road, and we brought it up to the campfire and threw it in the campfire, and to our surprise a whole nest of ants were in there, and it was really creepy, and that thousands and thousands of ants started coming out of the log trying to save their little pupae.
There's 2 dead mice.
They're Oh my gosh, yeah they are. Here on this side and there. Look at them, they're bringing their poopers out. Whoa.